This question comes from Dave in Poughkeepsie, New York. In a 2002 interview, you stated that it's impossible to know what the Fed will do. What have you learned since then that makes you a better forecaster and gives you more confidence in your expectation of QE3?
I guess I've learned a few things since 2002, but I still would say that you don't know for sure what the Fed is going to do, especially since they're not operating from the same perspective and they have so many political forces bearing on their decision making. And a lot of it is just trying to guess. I mean, I can look at what the Fed has already done and just assume that it will keep doing that, which is what I've assumed. But there is a wild card. I mean, since the Fed is doing the wrong thing and has consistently done the wrong thing, my assumption is that we'll keep doing the wrong thing. But it might not. I mean, it's possible that the Fed will finally get the message, understand the mistakes that it's made. Maybe the Fed will finally live up to its mission as a truly independent central bank and do the right thing and force some discipline on Congress, on the president. But, there's no way to know if that's going to happen. I mean, I hope that happens, but I'm not betting on it.